In Ethiopia, young boys who want to identify as men must successfully jump over a castrated male cow 4 times while naked. And in the small island of Vanuatu, young boys come of age by jumping off a 98-foot tall tower with a bungee-like rope tied to their ankles. Basically, these cultural traditions indicate that the boy is now a man. In Igboland, Iwa Akwa, which translates as cloth wearing, is an age-long tradition that symbolizes an initiation into manhood. It is a ceremony that entails the passage of a young man transforming into a full-fledged man. In some Igbo communities, for one to be recognized as a man, he must undergo Iwa Akwa initiation ceremonies. When a young boy reaches a certain age, usually in his early 20s, and his family deems it fit for him to partake in Iwa Akwa, the elders must make prior investigations to make sure he is eligible. These eligibility requirements basically includes firstly being of the right age, and secondly his family background. The participant's mother must have been properly married into the community, and his father must have properly passed through the initiation stage in his days. Successful participation is a proof that the man can now take up civil responsibilities within his community and family circles. Some men wait till they are very wealthy before they come home to perform Iwa Akwa, while some initiations are even done in absentia, especially when the participant is unavoidably absent. This ceremony seems to have faded across Igboland, but is still performed once in every 3 years in some towns in Imo State and in Ugbo in Enugu State. Iwa Akwa in Ugbo, also known as Aju Festival, is one of the most cherished of all events in Ugbo and is one of the most famous festivals in Enugu State. Aju Festival, which is celebrated once in 3 years between the age of 19 to 23 years, is a 3-day-long festival that attracts tourists and spectators from all over the country. We at Arlin TV were so excited to attend Aju Festival 2024, and it started with a 30-minute road trip from Enugu main town to Ugbo local government. The road was pretty smooth, so it was a nice ride. On getting there, the event was just getting started. So we had this welcome dance by some of the maidens. Apparently, a beauty pageant happened some days ago, and the winner, the new Miss Ugbo, will be announced in this ceremony. Next, we had some of these men who came to just entertain the guests. This was just part of the welcome procedure. If it's your first time here, you're welcome to Arlin TV. Kindly do well to click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, because I bet you don't want to miss out on any of our videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, as always, thank you so much. Next, it was the time for the main deal. The boys who were to be initiated into manhood ran with full speed into the main field, and the excitement was just everywhere. Everybody was so excited for these people who had gone through the previous 2 days trying to meet up all the requirements and now are here for the final celebration. We got to learn that this ceremony was for 3 intertwined communities. So some sets were wearing red, the other set was wearing white, and very soon you'll see another set wearing yellow. So it's just different sub-communities kind of, and all of them are partaking in this festival. Some of the process the young men had gone through included walking around the whole community. Like, this community is very hilly, so I know what I mean when I say the whole community. It was a whole lot, and you could see how excited they were that they were finally done.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Wow.
So during this festival, there was a huge display of masquerades, and then there were lots of musical performances by the local Ogini people. So they were just in different groups, and if you are coming in and you are willing to appreciate them with some money, of course, they were there to play tune to your satisfaction. One of the highlights for me was just seeing people that went through this same initiation process over 8 years ago. They were called to the stage to grace it, and for us to just appreciate them, and it was just so fulfilling to see that something that was done over 8 years ago is still being practiced till date. If you've watched till now and you are not yet a subscriber, and you enjoyed the video, make sure you click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, and let us know your thoughts on this in the comment section. Like I mentioned earlier, there was a beauty pageant done, so the winner of this beauty pageant was picked at the final day, and then there were lots of prizes to go with winning the competition. As you can see, the lady was so excited, and I was even more excited for her. She was so excited. So I'm presenting to you the new Miss Ugbo. At least she's going to be the Miss Ugbo for the next 3 years, since this festival is done just once in 3 years.
Thank you. Thank you.
What is an Igbo festival without wrestling? Guys, it's wrestling time. You can tell we definitely had a great time here. Thank you so much to our host, fellow creators, OE Travel and Tour, and Big Joe. And then we also got to meet with other amazing Enugu creators. This is Amokwe TV here, and we had a really, really nice time.
This is Amokwe TV. Anywhere in the world, they got you covered. Always land.
So towards the end of the ceremony, it was time to present the next batch of people that were going to go through this procedure. So they came, and then they were doing like similar dance to what the other people have been doing. So they are going to be doing theirs in 3 years time, and you can see they are already so excited. Like, it's just so nice to see that traditions like this are still being practiced. To end the event, there were lots of this dance by all the groups again. So starting with the people wearing white and down to the next set and the next set, and it ended finally with the set that's going to be initiated in 3 years time. So we're singing the national anthem now, and the event has officially come to a close, and it's time to eat, because why not? So we tried out this fresh palm wine. We had lots of abacha and asaja. Yes, we learned asaja is indigenous to the Ugbo people, and it was so delicious. We had an absolute time. Great food, great events, great connections. We had an amazing time. So we just visited their civic center, where we had parked our cars, spent some time there. There were still lots of display in the air. You know that this celebration is going to last till days, but then it was time for us to return back to Enugu. In all, we had a great time at Aju Festival 2024, and we hope to be visiting the next one. Thank you so much, fam, for watching till this point. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you click on the subscribe button, turn on notification bell. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section, and if you'll be attending this festival, if you have the chance, we can't wait to hear from you in the comment section. Thank you so much, fam. We'll catch you all in our next video. Bye.